Hey guys, this is Jamey Jordan here, and I've been working with Eastwood on my Signature Series line of new tools for the bead roller. And I want to take a second and walk you through some of these new products that we have, just so you can get familiar with using them on the bead roller. All right guys, so the next roll we're going to talk about is our skateboard wheel. And this is one of my favorite wheels on the market because it is a step roll and it is a skateboard wheel all in one. And the neat thing about this roll is it moves a whole lot of volume with very little pressure and very quickly too. This is going to be the lower roll you're going to use, and you're going to have a couple different options. You can use a stencil roll on top, you can use a tipping roll on top, or you can even use just a regular step roll on top. Whatever it is that you want to do to create with. But this roll will give you a lot of volume and you can have a lot of fun with it. I use this roll most when I'm doing artwork. You could use it on an automotive application, but it's a lot of fun to use for artwork because it moves a lot of volume at one time. So right now we're going to go ahead and roll a heart, and you're going to see how much volume we can move with this with just a few passes. Here we go. So there, you can see we started getting the shape of a heart going, and now I'm going to make another pass, outlining it again and see if we can really make it pop up. Here we go. I cranked it all the way down, so it's all the way cranked in, smashed into the roll, so it's full depth here. I turned it till it stopped. Taking my time to outline what I already did. And it's always 2 passes, 2 to 3 passes. Never try to finish your artwork or anything you're doing in one pass. You're cheating yourself. You're cheating the opportunity to be able to go back and clean it up. You're also more than likely going to overstretch your panel on the first run. There you go. You start to see it pop up. It's not the prettiest heart I've ever done, but you can see that it's moved the metal out, and you can see how quickly it starts to shift everything around and how much volume you can get just out of the skateboard wheel instead of using a small steel die or even a nylon die on the bottom.